everyone, welcome again to our channel, and if you're new, please subscribe because we upload new videos every other day. This is Hatch ESL's mini vocabulary series. Let's go to lesson 11. Our new vocabulary is fed up with something. Fed up with something. You use this when you feel unhappy about something that is happening for a long time. For example, she's fed up with her life in the city.
What's the food in the cafeteria, Mr. Steve?
Same as yesterday, Cookie. I'm fed up with carrots. I've eaten them too much.